yo, it's your main man, Ty, running back, coming back at you right now, man. I know you've been waiting for this, but I know you didn't know this was even out. Right now, I'm letting you know. The Pop Barbers P500 is here, okay? It is here. This bad boy can cut. This bad boy is fierce. I'm telling you, man, this thing's coming hard right now. I mean, they're throwing out everything but the kitchen sink. I'm telling you right now, it's coming. You know, you saw the black set, the Phantom black ones. Now you're gonna see these bad boys. The new joint. And right here, take this bad boy, moving it out. Comes with the instructions. Regular instruction stuff. I know you're into that stuff. Also, comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 of the guards. And these are nice, hard guards. I mean, the strict, strong ones, man. And the side, look at that, the premium joints. They feel real. These will not break. These are the good ones. You're gonna want these bad boys. Trust this. This is like, I mean, solid. These will not break. Also, inside the box, you got your cord right here. Okay, with the USB inside, attached on the other side. Goes with it. And on top of that bad boy, let me move this over a little bit. Just a little bit. On the side, and besides that, you got the one, the only, and the only one. You got this bad boy, man. The brand new Pop Barbers 2022. The Pop Barbers 2022 is here. They coming back hard. These bad boys are ferocious, man. They are not playing. Pop Barbers is not playing. They're coming hard. So there's other companies out here, but get ready because they're coming hard. I mean, I try to cut with these bad boys. Let me tell you something, man. These bad boys are doing it. Man, they're getting up there with the Andis. I'm letting you know now, Andis Masters, I'm telling you. These bad boys, they got the nice feel on it. You know, with the real strong, you know, all 5 clicks, the whole night. The nice grooves at the bottom. The flatness of the Andis Masters. It is just amazing, man. This blade right here, and when I cut with this one, the taper blade, it was awesome. It cut awesome. I want to try it with the what do you call it? With the fade blade, with the one of those fusion blades. I'm gonna put it on and do a cut video with that one. And let y'all see what this thing can do. The moment you slice, how it slices, the way it feels. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. The way it looks, everything. How fast you can go through bulk hair. And I'm not getting guys with easy hair to cut, with rough hair, the thick guys that hair, guys like that Jamaican type of hair. You know what I'm saying? Me and that dreadlock type shit. You know? I mean that thick matted hair. I'm gonna start cutting through it. I'm gonna let you know what this thing can really do. You've got to get down with these bad boys. These things are rocking. They are really rocking. Pop Barbers went up to another level with these bad boys. I mean, they're really doing it. I love the way it feels. It's everything about it, man. It's just feels so good. Got a nice, strong feel to it, man. You got to get these bad boys, man. You cut it on. The sound is quiet, man. It's quiet, but it's so strong you can't hardly see it. Look at it. Look at it vibrating. Look at it go blurry. Now stop it. And then it clears right up. And then like this, whatever. And here we go again. Okay, I was able to hold it this time. All I gotta do is squeeze it real tight and hold it still, so you can see it. Okay? I'm telling you, this bad boy is hot. I can't keep squeezing like that. Anyway, yo, this is off the chain. Off the chain. This bad boy is rocking. You would love this bad boy, trust me. Also, this one goes around 7,000. It goes to 7,000 RPMs. If you want to see, I can run a test right now. But I'm letting you know, 7,000 RPMs. Plug on the bottom is their base, is their standard Pop Barbers plug. You have the thing on the bottom right here, the hook, in case you want to, hang it up in your barbershop. Besides that, I'm just telling you, just a well-rounded, excellent clipper. Excellent. Well-made, very attractive looking too. Very attractive. Has a good reach on it. Look at the expansion on that bad boy. Expansion on that blade. That thing is nice. Really out there. They're really getting far with these bad boys. They're trying to compete with the fast feeds and the Andis Masters. I see. These bad boys is up there, and stuff. It's amazing. I really enjoy cutting with these bad boys. I'm letting you know right now, you would love these bad boys too. Especially if you're doing with bulk hair or that thick kind of hair. Use these. I mean, if you do it, we're working with people with light hair, stuff like that, but you really want to need something with this kind of power on it. You know, but if you got someone thick hair, get these bad boys. The price is excellent. You would really love these bad boys. I'm letting you know now. Okay, I'm just running past you, giving the 1, 2, letting you know what's up. These bad boys are rocking. Once again, yo, your man Ty saying, yo, enjoy what you get. Enjoy your day. Enjoy these clippers. If you don't have a pair, I'll put a thing on the bottom of this page so you can see or click on it and know where to get these bad boys from. Okay? All right, man. Yo, let you know as always. Peace.